back to my channel. I hoped you liked that opening. It is a little bit different for me. I had a shoot today, have a shoot today. Like talking like past tense, but present time. Anyway, had a shoot that footage is from, so I wanted to include it in here. But yeah, this is a little bit different for me. Fun fact, I actually tried to dye my hair this color going into my senior year of college. Yeah, so like 3 years ago, almost. Yeah, this is today's look. If you want to see how I created it, please keep watching. Oh, this is gonna be a talk through video because I was getting ready for the shoot and I was running very behind, so onward to the tutorial. Hello, my dears. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to start off by using the Daily Reviving Concentrate from Kiehl's, and I'm just gonna rub that all over my face. I'm gonna start with my eyes, and I'm literally going to prime them the exact same way that I do every single time. Nothing different here. Just gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge after this, and speed through it, of course. I should honestly just skip this part. So shadow-wise, I'm going to take Eden from the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm going to take that on my B38 brush from Morphe. And I'm just going to start building this in my upper crease area. This is going to be one of the more predominant colors that I want to come through. So I am going to literally lather this on. Next, I'm going to take Tuscan Sun and looking around here, and Chickadee from Makeup Geek. These are just single shadows that I've had for a while, but I'm going to take these two. First going in with Tuscan Sun and deepening up that crease, and then you'll see in a minute that I go in with Chickadee above that crease area, right here. Give it a little warmth. Now we are going to cut our crease. And I learned this little trick on Instagram actually. You just like lift your lid and it helps you make the perfect like where to draw your crease. So that's what I did. And now I'm just gonna take this e.l.f. flat liner brush. And with that, I'm just gonna use it to carve out the top of my crease just to make it pop a little bit more. I feel like this has really helped with my cut creases recently. Now I'm just gonna blend all the colors back together, like go in the order that I did. I'm going with Chickadee, Tuscan Sun, Eden, and just making it all look seamless and put together again. So it's not just one chunk of concealer there in the middle, just blending it all out. As you can see, it is starting to, you know, create a more defined shape on my cut crease. Now I'm going to go in with what I think is White Lies from Makeup Geek, and I'm going to first apply this with my finger, as you can see, over the concealer, but now I'm going to take this R42 brush from Morphe and just pack this on. This really makes that center of the lid area pop and stand out a lot better than just leaving it plain. So now taking this pencil brush from Morphe, I'm just gonna blend everything back into each other, and then I do go back in with Eden here to make everything a little bit brighter again because I feel like it all got blended out. All right, I'm gonna move on to my face and I'm gonna skip ahead here to finish up my eyes with you. And yes, we are wearing a wig cap. Oh, it was so weird. I'm gonna take this blue shade from the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and with that same pencil brush I was using, I'm just gonna pack this on my lower lid. And then I'm gonna go in with the NYX Slide On Eye Pencil. It won't focus and I get annoyed. And I'm just gonna pop this on my lower waterline. I'm not exactly sure what color this is, but I will link all the details down below in the description bar for you guys. So I'm gonna take this smaller flat brush next and blend that into the shadow that we just put down. Make sure it all smokes out a little bit. And now I'm gonna take Shark Bait from Makeup Geek as well and put that just right on top with that same little Morphe brush. What one is that? This is a R43. And now I'm just using an e.l.f. highlighter contour brush to set my under eyes so we can move on to the next step here. I believe I'm just using my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. And now I'm gonna take these Obsessive Compulsive Cosmetics pigments that I found at Riley Rose. And the first one I'm gonna go in with is Jubilee. And it's this really pretty fine blue shade. It definitely goes on like a really fine eyeshadow. And I'm just dusting this underneath my eye. Very impressive. And making the shape of our glitter tears, if you will. Now I'm gonna dust Mirrorball on top of that. Just give it a little shimmer. And then I'm taking this glitter, oil-based glitter that I got from Riley Rose as well, and I'm just packing this right on top. This was the piece de resistance, if you will. And I don't know the brand. I'll have to find it for you guys, but I really don't know what it was. But I just pack it on there with that same R43 brush. And then I do add a little bit of glitter to my lid here, as you can see. So now I'm gonna take the NYX contour palette again, and I'm just gonna carve out my cheeks. I don't want anything too dramatic here because my focus is definitely on the eyes. So I'm just, you know, contouring like I would. Now I'm gonna take the Farsali Jelly Beam highlight. Almost dropped out, and I'm going to put this on my face as my highlight. This has been one of my favorite ones, especially for the summer, because it looks so natural on the skin. And it's hella Coachella. But yeah, I'm just blending this out here and there. Give ourselves some glow. Again, nothing too crazy because, well, it's all about the eyes here. So now I'm gonna take the Gifted mascara from Tarte and give my lashes a coat so we can pop on some false lashes. And I'm using the Samantha lashes from Huda Beauty. And I popped on the Huda Beauty Trophy Wife lip as a final touch and went over it with, I believe, my Amrezy highlighter. I think I went over my Farsali Jelly Beam as well. But that completes this look. If you guys liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.